Hi students, welcome back. In the previous section, we discussed about 7 crystal systems and number of atoms or particles present in a unit cells. Today, we discuss the term of close packed structures. Okay? Before going to that, there learn some important term coordination number. What's the meaning of coordination number? Yes, the number of nearest neighboring, the number of nearest neighbors of the particles is called coordination number. Okay, students, the number of nearest neighbors of a particle. Okay, let me tell afterwards. So first we move on to the close packed structures in the 3 different forms. Let me discuss one by one. First one, close packing in one dimension. Okay, and it's called one dimension, 1D. So close packing we observe in one dimension. How do you get form? Already know that the solids are close packed atoms or particles or molecules. They are to each other, I mean to say close to each other. So let me know about first one. So see the students structure in a horizontal or anyway, the one of the atom is combined with another atom like this. Okay, students, this is called what? The layer. This is what we call A type. Okay, we call it as A type. See, this is a horizontal arrangement in only the one way. This is one atom is combined with another atom. This is like this. This is a one-dimensional close packing structure. So, how much number of coordination numbers? For example, you taken, this is considered as a one atom. This is close packing is how much? This is 1 and this is 2. So, what we write? The coordination number in close packing structure is 2. Okay, we can observe 2 close packing in one dimension. Andre close packing structure, there is only one way of alignment, like horizontal way. Either ee taranaru barili, either ee taranaru barili molecules. So what? One by one. So in these molecules, consider any one of the atom, like this one atom or like this one atom combined with and touches the nearest neighboring atoms. This molecule touches these two atoms but not continuous. This is a infinite series. This is continuous series. So we generally represent this the 4 or 5 atom molecules. They have to be measured. In this molecule, what? You consider this one, this is 2 perpendicular, I mean say 2 nearest neighboring close packing. So close packing in one dimensional, this is what? Coordination number is possible, 2 coordination number presents. Okay students, next second, 2-dimensional close packing in 2 dimension. So these are the structures. So in 2 dimension close packing, so see, this is one molecules, okay, one more molecules are arranged in the same contact. Okay students, see this is a structure of two-dimensional possible two structures. I will explain first one. See here, this is the one sphere, this is second sphere, third sphere, fourth sphere. This is called what? A type. Okay. So second row, we call as second layer, is contact with the first row or first layer in the same contact between these two terms. That means what? The second layer is contact with the first layer. The second row is completely contact with the first row. Okay? Look like what? You go into any shop, you get laddus, like the bakery ಹೋದಾಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವೀಟ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್. This is look like that was. Okay, students? So this is the second layer, this is also same A type. There is any changes? No. Then third layer, this is the third layer. Third layer is contact with the first two, same as like first two layers or first two roses. So this is also called as what? A type and A type. This is also called what? A type structures. So see students, in this type of A type of structures, this is called what? A type structure. Okay? In two-dimensional structures, can you guess or can you take one of the particle? Any one. I taken one of the particle like this one. So this is how much nearest number, coordination number. See this is. This is contact with this one. Yes. This is contact with this one. Yes. This is contact with this one. Yes. This is contact with this one. How much nearest particles is contact with these molecules? Yes, coordination number is 4. Okay, students, because of the one of the atom, one of the sphere, one of the ball, it is contact with what? ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ? This is a contact 1, this is contact 2, this is contact 3, this is contact 4. So this look like what? Look like what? Square. We call it as two-dimensional square packing. Okay, students, this is called what? Two-dimensional square packing A types. Okay, this is containing coordination number is 4 because of the one of the particle or one of the sphere is contact with the 4 different nearest spheres. Okay, this is called at coordination number. Okay, let me check on one more part is 2D dimensional. This is what? 2D square packing. Now going to the A type. This is the molecules A types. Okay, students, see, observe here. The AA type, the second row, it is depressions the first layer. Either we called as, this is staggered form. Staggered form between the molecules you write the one more atoms. This is called what? Staggered form. This is called what? We get B type. Okay. So next third layer also same as A type. This is staggered between the B type. Either this is allied with between the depressions. This is molecules is organized in the A type. This is what? In between these terms. This is what? B type. Okay, students, see here. This is a difference between the two-dimensional analysis of first one A type. This is called what? AB type. Okay, this is called AB type. Okay, so see here, the first row in between depressions in the second row. The first one and third one is same contact, but second one and fourth one is equal to the same contact between the particles or spheres. This is called what? Two-dimensional AB type of close packing structures. So consider how much of coordination number. Now going to the coordination number. Coordination number, how much coordination number? You consider any one of these crystal systems. In this system, I consider this one. Okay, I taken this one. So how much of possible races? This is 1. Okay, this is 2. This is 3 contact, nearest contacts. This is 4. This is the touches. Every sphere is touches this 4 and this 5 and this 6. The 6, the coordination number possible in the what? 2D dimensional. Okay. So this is look like what of the spheres? This is look like what? Like so. This is look like what? 6. 6 means what? This is 2D hexagonal packing. Okay, students, this is look like what? 2D hexagonal packing structures. This is hexagonal structure. See, this is how much of coordination number? 6. Okay, students, this is one type. This is two types. One more type is 3-dimensional structure. Okay, don't get confused. This is square packing in 2D dimensional. Coordination number is 4. This is AB type. This is the one of the sphere. It is contact with the nearest number of 6 spheres. That's why coordination number is 6. This is look like hexagonal. So 2D hexagonal packing. Okay, take a one screenshot. Right. So then next we move on to the 3D structures. Clear? Okay. Next we move to the 3D structure. Okay, students, next third one, 3-dimension. So what? Close packing of 3D dimension. In 1 dimension, only 1 possible. In 2-dimensional, 2 possible. 3-dimensional, 3 varieties of different forms will be observed. In this forms of first one, we observe this structure. So this is a type. Okay, first one. So 3-dimension. Already I told in the last class, 3-dimensional means in the length, breadth and weight. Weights means what? Length, breadth and height. All the 3 will be possible in the 3-dimensional. Let me check one by one. So this is a molecule. Particles are present. So okay, this is another molecules are present in the same type of molecules. Okay, students. So see here. This is called what? A type. This is also look like what? A type. But what's the difference is in 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional. 3-dimensional means in the x-axis and also y-axis. X-axis alli irtade and so horizontal of spheres and y-axis also horizontal and so vertical spheres. This is rows, this is columns. Horizontal is rows, vertical is columns, and one more atoms are present. Which are those? This is on the board. Okay, x-axis, y-axis on the board. We got as this is a 3D dimension. We can't write in the board. That's why we write. You have to be assume that. Imagine. What is imagine? This is one of the box. We have to be considering of the box. The box is containing one of the spheres, and it's a ball. Ball arranged then. Other pakka innondu ball anna idtira arranged with another molecules of balls in the same box. The continuous boxes in the involving of ball ಗಳು ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ ಆ ಬಾಲ್ಗಳು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ವಾಟ್ 3D ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಆಗಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಿದೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಬಾಲ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ ಒಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬಾಲ್ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಟ್ to forming of 3D dimensional. This is the structure in your textbook. We mentioned the stuff of the structures. See the structures. This is a 3D dimensional structure. I will be representing a board like this. So this is called what? Primitive unit cell or simple unit cell. Either called what? Basic unit cell. This is a 3D dimensional. Okay, now going to the coordination number. How did you identify the coordination? Any one of the molecules. We take this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 is the coordination number. But did you imagine now? One of the x-axis, y-axis can identify. Another one, z-axis, the molecules of spheres in the outside, and other one is the backside. So what is two other remaining were present? See that is good. This is called what? Coordination number. How much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. And imagine it. First one in the upper side and another one is the below. This is what? 6 coordination number is present in 3D dimensional. This is called what? Primitive unit cell, also called simple unit cell, either we call basic unit cells. Clear, students? This is a 3D dimensional one type. So next one, second type we can observe. So second type, in this second type, further we classify what? 3D dimensional. Second one be like 3D dimensional on second layer over on first layer. I will tell. So first we consider one of the particles like this. Then second one more molecules. I decide that this is like a hexagonal structure because of the molecules organized like depressions, I would say, in the staggered form. Between that molecules it presents. This is called what? Hexagonal structure. In this 3D structures also hexagonal structures. So okay. So look like that. Then this is the between the molecules like this. Okay, students, this is the structure. So same as 2D hexagonal forms. Okay, students, see here. Observe 3 ball. You taken the 3 balls. Imagine that 3 balls in this 3 balls is arranged like this. In between that 3 balls having some of the space. This is space will be appear like the space called what? Voids. Which type of voids? This is like triangular voids. Okay, voids means what? In the spheres between some of the space will be appear. That space we call as voids. Okay, this is triangular shape by the voids. So first we consider in a 2D dimension of 2 layer on the first layer. So first we consider this is the structure. This is the what? We called as, this is called what? This is the space we call what? Voids. Okay. So the 3 balls upon the one more ball is present. 3 balls kala madhya space irutte. A space ke one more sphere or one more ball is inserted. This is called what? This is called what? T interconnectivity. T means tetrahedral voids. See the structure like this. This is the tetrahedral voids. This is look like what in a 3-dimensional. This is a structure we can represent. This is the tetrahedral structures in the appear. This is the structure we can observe it. So how much T's are there? This is a T. This is this one, and here also same thing. This is a T. Okay. This is also T. So one more concept, that was what? The same molecules I taken one of the example like this one. This molecule I taken 1, 2, 3. Okay. So in this condition, we can represent one more ball like this, like this. This is up here. This is what? Octahedral. Did not get confused. Right here. So 3 balls. Okay. This is a 3 balls. The sum of the space is up here. This is called what? Tetrahedral. Right? In these 3 spheres, further will be forming of 3 molecules. Let be what? This is octahedral. This is also space will be up here. This is called what? Octahedral. Octahedral wire. Okay. The textbook see the structure like this. This is a T represented what? Tetrahedral. Between the molecules like what? Octahedrals. This is look like what? This is the structure of octahedral molecules. Then organized like what? This is the molecules to be forming. Okay, this is the structure in your textbook representations. Okay, students, this is a textbook representing. This is the structure of octahedral wires. So let me know it. This is a 3D dimension of 2 layers. Second layer, and the second layer over to the first layer. So in this molecule, what we write? This is second layer over to the first layer. So what will be formed? This is the T. L T ಇದೆ. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? Further arranged with some of the atoms. Some of the atoms ಗಳನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ? ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. This is called what? Octahedral wires ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. Don't get confused. See the textbook. Octahedral wires ಗಳು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತವೆ? 3 balls having some of the space arranged with one more atoms. Look like this is called what? Octahedral wires. See the structure. You can get the octahedral wires and tetrahedral wires. This is the difference between the 3-dimensional second layer over to the first layer. This is the forming of what? The 3-dimensional 2-layer spheres. The important thing is the closed packed spheres we call as N. N is a closed packed spheres. In octahedral, closed packed sphere is equal to N. In tetrahedral, closed packed sphere is always 2N. This is very, very important. See students, in a structure, observe T is very more number, I mean say twice of the numbers, but octahedral is only the small amounts. I mean say what? Closed packed spheres. You ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು crystal ನ consider ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, for example 10 spheres you consider, the octahedral closed packed sphere is number equal to n. I would say 10 you consider the spheres. Octahedral wires ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಗಳ octahedral space ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. But tetrahedral wires twice the 10. I would say 20 tetrahedral wires ನಿಮಗೆ appear ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is called what? Very important. Octahedral wires, I would say octahedral closed packed sphere is equal to n, but tetrahedral packed sphere is equal to 2n. I would say octahedral ಅಂದ್ರೆ number of taken, how much you taken the spheres, that much octahedral wires appears in a crystal. But tetrahedral wires is twice of that, taken of the number of spheres. Clear? This is a important point in the 3-dimensional 2 layers over the first layers. Okay students? Now lastly, next one, 3-dimensional on 3 layers over to the first layer. Don't get confused. This is a tetrahedral, 3-dimensional. With the fourth one sphere across fourth one ball will appear that get space. This is called what? Tetrahedral. Octahedral means 3 between in these 3 molecules. Like what? This is look like what? These 3 between ಮಧ್ಯ ಮತ್ತೆ ತ್ರಿಗ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 3 molecules ಬರ್ತದೆ. That's what this is a three molecules. In between three molecules will be organized. This is called what? Octahedral. That is tetrahedral. Okay, students. Okay, next three-dimensional third layer. Three-dimensional third layer over to the second layer. Third layer over to the second layer. Okay. So first we consider in this two type of structures also appear. That is called what? You take an example is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? 1, 2, 3. Okay. This is what? B. B taken 1, 2, 3. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again same like 1, 2, 3 B types. Okay, students. This is 3D third layer over to the second layer. This is considered A. Okay. This is considered B. Sun. This is look like what? Same as A. This is B. Okay. So how they have formed? This is look like what? This is structure. See, this is structure. This is a type, and this is look like B. This is again A. And then one sphere is there. A sphere in a depression. ಮಧ್ಯಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಬೇರೆ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಗಳನ್ನ. This is like B. ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಓವರ್ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ ಆಗಿ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಆಟಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. This is like A. So look like what? This is look like this is what? Hexagonal forms. Okay. This is what? Trigonal forms. This is called what? Hexagonal forms. So the bond will be joined. This is what? And this is what? And this is what? We get what? The structure should be formed what? Like what? Hexagonal. This is called HCP. Hexagonal cubic packing. Yes, students. HCP. HCP means what? Hexagonal cubic packing structure for packet structures. Okay, students. See, this is a 3D dimensional and overlap three layers to the second. This is the first layer, the second layer, this is third layer. First layer look like this. The balls will be joining in six molecules. Then overlap them second one. Then again overlap. This is look like what? Hexagonal structure. This is called hexagonal cubic packing structures. Okay. How they are form of coordination number? How did you form of coordination number? Take an same example. You write the coordination number. Yes. You can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is what? A type. So then molecule A, B, C. This is called B. So illi matte ಏನು ಇರುತ್ತದೆ? B molecule ಇರುತ್ತೆ. This is look like what? This is a structure. This is a structure. So can you write this is a B continuation? Then again A. So you imagine that how much coordination number is present in a HCP. So you take on this molecule. This is 1. This is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is hexagonal structure. This is combined with molecules. This is join hexagonal structure. So this is 9, this is 10, 11, 12. Coordination number is 12 presents in a HCP over the third layer over to the second layer. This is called what? Three-dimensional HCP. This is what type? AB, AB, AB type. Okay, three-dimensional. Clear, students? Okay, next we'll talk about one more, ABC type. Okay, one more, that is called what? ABC. Did you imagine that? This is called what? A, the spheres or ball. Then between the spheres adjusted that B type. Then remaining term we can get one more sphere will be appear in the depression portion, that is called what? C type. Okay, so let me know it. was C students. This is AB type. Next ABC type. So first you write 6 molecules. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then B look like this. This is the depression between the molecules. Then going to the C. C, this is the opposite side. In sphere is that this sphere ki madhya ಒಂದು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. That is what? Like this spheres. And this is what? A type. This is what? B type. This is what? C type. Again, the come from the original. ಮತ್ತೆ again ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? A type molecules will be again repeated. This is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a continuation, infinite series. Okay? So, this is A, B, C. See the structure. This structure you can identify clearly what they said. This is a A. Between the depression portion, this is a B. This is a C. Then next is the look like what? This is in the 3D dimension. This is hexagonal structure. This is giving you what? The molecules will giving to you the. Then this is what? This is what? Hexagonal form. This is combined to get a forming of what? We'll write. This is like the structure of what? FCC. Either we call CCP. FCC means face centered cubic. Either we call what? CCP means close. Cubic close packed structure. This is look like the structures will appear in the AB type. This is called what? ABC type of 3D dimensional analysis to get what? This is hexagonal cubic packed structure, HCP. This is FCC, face center cubic, either cubic closed packed structures. Now you write in this molecule how much forming of coordination number? Yes, can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, this is what? A type, right? So next to which one is? Can write B type. B type. Yes, you can write B type. 1, 2, 3. Then C type. This is C type. Okay. Then again in the form of A type. This is C type. You get continuation of there. I consider only this molecules. One atom I consider modern. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then this is also combined with the forms. That was what? The molecules of sphere is combined with the again B molecule of 3 atoms and C molecule of 3 atoms. 6, 7, 8, 9. This is 10, 11, 12. Total coordination number is 12. Okay. Between both two sides, HCP and FCC or CCP, both were giving a coordination number is 12. Clear, students? Don't get confused. So then, in this two type of structures, if 74% highest, I would say what? 74% of packing efficiency. I will be next class. I will telling about these packing efficiency in the next class. So highest packing efficiency is appear 74% packing appearance, and say the molecules, the gap at the space points. This is the next class. I will say 74%. Highest percentage appear in this 3D dimension of AB, C and AB type of structures. Clear, students? This is about the 3-dimensional analysis of third layer over to the second layer. This is the third layer. I will explain briefly. This is a type of molecules. The sphere is second layer, B type. Then the molecule of the first layer is equal to the third layer, that is one more molecule will be present, or spheres are present. This is called what? Third layer. Third layer over to the second layer. Then structure this one. This is a A type of structure. Between the molecules who are present in the spheres of depression, B type. In the three between that molecules who are present, this is called what? C type. Okay students, so finally we get a one simple chart to get identify the overall today class in a simple chart. Okay, close packed structures. How is the form of close packed structure? Three dimensional. I mean say three forms. First D, 1D. I mean say one dimensional analysis is this is look like what? This is only the single arrangement. This is a coordination number is, imagine what is the class is going on. Coordination number is only two coordination numbers. Okay, next going to the second dimensional. Two dimensional is a form of two forms. Which are those two forms? Yes, one is two dimensional square packing structure. Another one is two dimensional hexagonal packing structure. Two dimensional square packing appear square. Square is appear how much? Only the four coordination numbers, and this is hexagonal structure. This is a form of 6 hexagonal forms. Okay, next going to the 3D structures. 3D structures will be appear three forms. Three forms in that first one is A, 3D square packing. Square packing, 3D dimensional, like a simple or primitive or basic unit cells we call as. The coordination number is 6. Imagine that. Coordination number primitive unit cell is 1, 2, 3, 4 upper and below. This is a older. 6 coordination number is up here. This is like what? A type of structures. Okay students. Then the next one, the B, 3D dimensional. 3D dimensional, second layer over to the first layer. Second layer is over to the first layer, and the 3D dimensional is possible voids. Voids is tetrahedral voids and octahedral voids. Tetrahedral voids, 3 spheres. And one more sphere is up here. This closed system, 4 spheres forming of tetrahedral voids, and octahedral voids is 6. I would say what? This is a type of octahedral voids. Okay, don't get confused. Then second layer over to the first layer. Then in these two, very important, closed packed spheres. Closed packed spheres we called as n number. So octahedral. Octahedral means how much number of octahedral voids are present, that much number of closed packed spheres. ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಕ್ಟಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ. ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್, ಅದರ ಡಬಲ್ ಏನಿರ್ತವೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೀವು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ 10 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 20, 4 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 8, ದಟ್ ಮಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೆಟ್ರಾಹೆಡ್ರಲ್ ವಾಯ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸಿ, ಥರ್ಡ್ 3D dimensional, 3-dimensional third layer over to the second layer. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ? HCP and FCC. HCP means hexagonal cubic closed packed. I mean CCP, cubic closed packed, either face centered cubics. I mean face centered cubic cells. This is both having a coordination number is 12. Imagine both were having a coordination number is 12. This is AB type. This is ABC type. So this is very important point. This is 3D dimensional tetrahedral octahedral in second layer. In the third layer, the C is covering the octas, the tetrahedral voids. A means actually hexagonal structure. All the possible HCP and CCP is hexagonal structures. This is A means hexagonal, B means tetrahedral, covering the tetrahedral voids. But in the form of ABC, A and B and C, ABC, A is hexagonal, B is look like tetrahedrals. B is what? Tetrahedrals, and C is what? Octahedrals, covering the octahedrals. This is very simple chart to get identified. This is a overall today class. Okay, this is note. Take one screenshots. Okay students. Okay, bye.